Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see what are the type of cells in Jupyter Notebook. So we saw the code and markdown styles before. So these are the types of cells. Firstly, code, markdown, raw, NBConvert and heading. So we saw that the following was our code format, the following was our heading, markdown. That is because to create our heading we used markdown here. We added single hash for h1 heading, double hash for h2 heading, and the same goes for all. For h3 we need to add 3 hash, for h4 4 hash. In this way till the h6 level of heading levels this works. Okay, we also have this raw NBConvert cell. So this raw NBConvert is basically raw cells whose content is not evaluated by the notebook kernel. So when it is passed through NBConvert, it will be rendered as desired. If you will type latex in a raw cell, the rendering will happen after NBConvert is applied. Okay, we will be not using this, we'll be using the rest of them. As I told you about the code, that the code cells are basically wherein you can write your Python statements. Okay, each cell is run, we saw before how. Here we saw, and we also saw the markdown cells. These are basically text formatted using markdown language. All kinds of formatting features are available, like you can bold the text, you can italic it. So guys, in this video we saw what are the types, 4 types of cells in Jupyter Notebook. Thank you for watching the video.